Evolution. Evolution is a gradual change occurring in living organisms over a long duration. This is a very slow-going process through which development of organisms is achieved. Formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called evolution. All the stages in changes occurred in various components ranging from stars and planets in space to the biosphere present on the Earth should be included in the study of evolution. Man has always been curious to know about how these stars and planets were formed. The Big Bang theory was proposed in this regard. Scientist Georges Lemaitre proposed this theory. According to this theory, approximately 13.7 billion years ago, the universe started as just a single point. This single point exploded and all the material present inside it was thrown in the space. Gradually, from these materials, stars and planets were formed. A peek into history. Many philosophers and religious scholars have written their views about formation of life. There seems to be a thorough discussion over the formation of universe in various cultures like Indian, Chinese, Roman, Greek, etc. Various cultures have noted different types of information about planets, stars, the Panch Mahabhuta, etc. in the poetry, stories, and sacred books. About 3.5 billion years ago, life did not exist on the Earth. Scientists have mentioned few possibilities about how life began on the Earth. According to it, at the beginning, there may have been only simple elements in the ocean on the Earth, and simple type of organic and inorganic compounds may have been formed from those. Complex compounds like proteins and nucleic acids may have been formed over a long period from those simple compounds. From the mixture of different type of organic and inorganic compounds, the first primitive type of cells may have been formed. Number of those cells may have increased at the cost of surrounding chemicals. There may have been some differences among those cells, and according to the principle of natural selection, some may have shown good growth and some may have perished which could not adjust with the surroundings. Huge animals like dinosaur which once existed on the Earth became extinct due to this principle of natural selection. Even today, many species of animals and birds are not able to adjust to the changes that take place in their surroundings. Both environmental and man-made factors are responsible for these changes. Due to this, these species become extinct. In spite of this, at present, crores of species of plants and animals with huge diversity regarding shape and complexity are present on the Earth. Animal diversity ranges from the unicellular amoeba and paramecium to man and giant whale. The plant diversity also consists of various species ranging from unicellular chlorella to the huge banyan tree. The life exists everywhere on the Earth, from equator to both the poles. Living organisms are present in air, water, land, rocks, etc. Since ancient period, humans have shown curiosity about the origin of life and reasons for such a great diversity in life present on the Earth. Different theories about origin and evolution of life have been proposed till today, of which theory of gradual development of living organisms is accepted. Come, let us study about this theory in detail. Theory of evolution. According to the theory of evolution, The first living material, that is, protoplasm, has been formed in ocean. In due course of time, unicellular organism was formed. Gradually, changes occurred in the unicellular organisms, from which larger and more complex organisms were formed. All these changes were slow and gradual. It took over 300 crore years for these changes to take place. Changes and development in living organisms had been all-round and multidimensional, which led to evolution of different types of organisms. Hence, this overall process is called evolution, which is organizational. Progressive development of plants and animals from the ancestors having different structural and functional organization is called evolution. If theory of evolution is widely accepted, then there has to be appropriate evidences to support this theory. Are there such evidences? Come, let us study about the evidences in detail.